Hello friends, myself Aradi Mahajan presenting my video on Unit 1 Complex Number Revision Part 1. First example, find the values of I raised to 1 by 4, and to determine its value, that given I we can write down as 0 plus I. Converting in terms of polar form, we have cos pi by 2 plus I times sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. 1 into I, we get I. And then converting into general polar form, this becomes cos of 2n pi plus pi by 2 plus I times sin of 2n pi plus pi by 2. And then taking power as 1 by 4, and therefore I raised to 1 by 4, nothing but this bracket raised to 1 by 4, that is cos of 2n pi plus pi by 2 plus I times sin of 2n pi plus pi by 2 and whole raised to 1 by 4. And then applying De Moivre's theorem, its expansion is cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta, and therefore it becomes cos of 2n plus 1 by 2 times pi and divided by 4. Therefore it becomes cos of 2n plus 1 by 2 times pi by 4, and this is I sin of 2n plus 1 by 2 times pi and divided by 4 using De Moivre's theorem. And then if we call this as equation 1, we have to substitute for n is equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. We get first value. For n is equals to 0, we get x0, first value of first root. Substituting n as 0 here, we get cos of pi by 8 plus I sin pi by 8 as a first value. Then for n is equals to 1, we get x1 as, put n is equals to 1, 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, we get cos of 5 pi by 8 plus I times sin of, again n equal to 1, we get 5 pi divided by 8 as the second value. Then for n is equals to 2, we get x2 is equals to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, we get 9. Therefore cos of 9 pi by 8 plus I times sin of 9 pi divided by 8. And lastly, for n is equals to 3, we get x3 is equals to 3 to the 6 plus 1 by 2, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1, we get 13. Therefore it is cos of 13 pi divided by 8 plus I times sin of 13 pi divided by 8. Generally, this type of question is asked for 4 marks in exam. 1 mark for the conversion in terms of general polar form. Then 1 mark for this application of de Moivre's theorem, and 2 marks for this calculation. Total 4 marks. Second example, if tan of a plus ib is equal to x plus iy, then prove that tan 2a is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square minus y square, and tan h2 beta is equal to 2y upon 1 plus x square plus y square. And to prove this, given information is tan of a plus ib is equal to x plus iy, and therefore its conjugate is x minus iy as tan of a minus ib. Then adding the angle, we get tan of a plus ib plus a minus ib as tan of tan a plus b is tan a means tan of a plus ib plus tan of b means tan of a minus ib, and divided by 1 minus tan a tan b a plus ib and tan of a minus ib. Adding this two, we get ib plus 2a as tan a plus ib is x plus iy plus tan of a minus ib is x minus iy, and whole divided by 1 minus tan a plus ib is x plus iy into x minus iy, and that is equals to plus iy cancel with minus iy, x plus x we get 2x whole divided by 1 minus a plus b into a minus b, its product is a square minus b square, means x square minus I square y square, and therefore we get 2x divided by 1 minus x square, I square is minus 1, minus minus become plus, and again minus, therefore minus y square. We get the first required result, tan 2a as 2x upon 1 minus x square minus y square. Then we try to find out the second one. This time we subtract these two angles. Therefore tan of a plus ib minus a minus ib is equal to tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b, and therefore it becomes tan a plus ib minus tan of a minus ib divided by 1 plus tan of a plus ib into tan of a minus ib. Substitute values, tan a plus ib is x plus iy, tan of a minus ib is x minus iy, and 1 plus x plus iy into x minus iy. Simplifying it, this time x get cancel, we get 2iy whole divided by 1 plus, again a product of a plus b into a minus b, it is x square minus I square y square, and left hand side is tan of a get cancelled plus ib, we get 2ib, and then one standard result from complex number, tan of ix is I tan hx, and therefore this I get cancelled, we get tan h2 beta 2b is equals to 2y whole divided by 1 plus x square. I square is minus 1, minus minus it become plus y square. Our required second result. Scheme of marking. To prove the first result, you will get 2 marks. And to prove the second result, we get 2 marks. Total 4 marks. This is the scheme of marking. Third example, prove that log of 1 plus e raised to 2i theta is equal to log of 2 cos theta plus I times theta. And to prove this, we take the help of the standard result. We know that log z is equal to log r plus I times theta, principal value of logarithm, where r is equal to root of x square plus y square and theta is tan inverse of y by x. And therefore, that given log of 1 plus e raised to 2i theta, we can rewrite as log of 1 plus e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. As per that, it is cos of 2 theta plus I times sin of 2 theta. And therefore, it is log of real part is 1 plus cos theta and plus I times sin of 2 theta. Therefore, here x is 1 plus cos of 2 theta and y is sin 2 theta. And therefore, we get value of r as root of x square plus y square. It is 1 plus cos theta square and plus sin of 2 theta whole square. It is equals to root of, expanding this bracket, a square 1, 2ab means 2 cos of 2 theta and plus cos square 2 theta and plus this sin square 2 theta. We get square root of 1 sin square plus cos square again 1 and plus 2 cos of 2 theta. It is root 2. We can take 2 common. Outside the square root it becomes square root of 2 and square root of 1 plus cos of 2 theta. And we have standard result 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and therefore it is 2 cos square theta by 2 means it becomes 2 theta by 2. 2 to get cancelled, we get cos of theta. And that is equals to this root 2 into root 2, we get 2. Square root of cos square is cos theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Y is sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos of 2 theta. Simplifying it, it is tan inverse of sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. And 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 theta by 2, 2 to get cancelled, we get cos theta. 2 cancel, 1 cos get cancelled. It is tan inverse of sin by cos, we get tan theta. Tan inverse tan get cancelled, we get theta is equals to theta. And therefore substituting these two values here in this, we get log z means log of 1 plus e raised to 2i theta is log of r. We get the value of r as 2 cos of theta and plus I times theta, theta is theta, and therefore hence we get the required result. Total 4 marks means 1 mark for each step. Some more problems I will discuss in second part of revision. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for my all new videos, such type of all new videos, press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.